After yesterday's analysis, the gold has continued to rise in value, and we can see the price has made a bullish candle yesterday after the bullish breakout above 3272.61. The price continued to rise in value, and we can see the price has reached it very close to this area here around 331819, and especially this one here, which has been broken. First of all, this one small, the resistance level, and we can see the price is trying to rise again to reach the next resistance level, which will be 3353.77. Let's see what has happened yesterday, because in the 4-hour time frame we'll see how the price has behaved and how the price has risen. We can see that after the price formed this bullish breakout here, the price continued to rise in value. Yesterday, this one here, which has been formed, has been traded inside the premium analysis for the traders, with the target right here very close to the next one resistance level, and this was profitable trade, which we can see that the price after several 4-hour time frame candles has continued to rise in value, and it has reached this price level. After that, we can see currently the price is forming another bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame resistance level, which is 3326.95, and the price is targeting the next resistance level, which is 3353.77. It is a daily resistance. This bullish breakout has been also shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they can know also what is the target and also when to enter into the trade. So if you would like to receive these updates when the breakout happens, feel free to check the link below in the description. Inside the premium analysis, you also get information for all of these symbols, which I have 8 of them here. Whenever there is a bullish or bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, and the daily time frame, I send information for the traders with the target where the price is going. So for now, yesterday we had the profitable trades, which has a successful analyzed breakouts. For now, what we can expect today? First of all, we can expect, and I am expecting that I am targeting the next resistance level, which is 3353.77. We can see currently that the price has formed a bullish breakout above this small resistance level. If we go here on the 1-hour time frame, we will see that the price has formed a bullish breakout above 3317.59. And if you have remember on the daily time frame, which I have said, which is right here around here 3317, the price has formed a bullish breakout. We can see that on the 1-hour time frame, just here where these open and close price of these candles are located. So we can see the price has successfully made a bullish breakout, continue to rise in value, and currently it has stopped at 3339.80. It is also a 1-hour time frame where the resistance level is currently it is a resistance for the price to continue to rise in value to reach the next daily resistance level. We can see that I have also put here a take profit level just before the supply zone here around this resistance level, just because I would like to get out from the trades before the price goes all the way up to the resistance, because sometimes it can happen that the price comes very close to the resistance level, then drops significantly down, not reaching the specifically correctly this area, which is 3353 resistance level. That happens because of the strong selling pressure, which has a large area around this area of daily resistance. It has a supply zone where it is much stronger than the buying pressure. So when this happens, the buyers comes very close to this area, to the supply zone. The selling pressure is much stronger than the bullish, so the bulls cannot push the price all the way to the resistance level. Then the selling pressure starts to enter in, and all the trades get out and they enter the selling mode. So this is something that I would like to avoid. I would like to get out with the profit before the price reaches this area of supply zone, just to avoid being first in profit and then return back down, going into loss. This is something that I always pay attention and also inform the traders about that. Now what we can expect, except this one, which is a daily resistance. This is the target for today, which I'm expecting, and after that it is the daily resistance level, which usually we can see that in the past makes a retrace back down, down, and we can see here the price had problems, big problems for several days to make a bullish resistance breakout. Now this is something that I'm expecting, that the price will try to reach this area of resistance and then retrace back down. How far the retrace will be, that it always depends on the current supply zone and the bullish pressure that is pushing the price up. We can see in this case the price did not make any retrace on the daily time frame, but 3272 Here it is. We can see that also on the daily, the price did not manage to go down. So there was no retrace in this case. So this could also happen here. But as it looks right now, there is high probability that the retrace will be because of the strong resistance level. And we can see here the resistance level in the past has not acted as a strong one, but much stronger support level. So in this case, when the price goes down, much more likely the retrace would be here at the support than it is currently on the resistance. This is something that's happened. But in this case, we can see in the past the price has formed several retraces, which means a stronger resistance level. So this is something that I am expecting that will happen today here around this area of resistance. Now the retrace could be also around down to around this area where the price has made a bullish breakout around 3320. We can see that many times the price has dropped it down. So this is the first support level that I'm expecting that the price will try to reach, and this is currently this one here. So when the price reaches this area of resistance, the retrace could be all the way down here, but we will pay attention on each 1 hour time frame how the price is behaving. So when there is a bullish or bearish breakout, I will share that inside the premium analysis so the traders can know where the price is heading and also what is the target. So for now, for today, I am bullish until the price reaches this area of resistance, and from there we will see what happens and we follow the market. Feel free to check the premium analysis where I share these details with the breakouts to the traders each day, so you can also track. The link will be below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.